Hi, my name is Christopher Covington. I'm going to be talking to you about my role as a leader within my community. I am the youth coordinator for the California Conference for Equality and Justice's Building Bridges camp that happens every year, where we talk about difficult conversations around race, stereotypes, prejudice, and discrimination. My goal for each school that participates in camp is to leave with an action plan to create a kinder and safe environment on their school campus. My leadership style is a supportive one, where I help to build the capacity of not only my peers but also myself so that we can create a cohort of youth organizers committed to making a systemic change in their community. I would like to take this time to humbly thank you for the opportunity of applying for this position. It would be a great honor to serve on the advisory board for the Born This Way Foundation with you.